This is a 2014 GMC that the repair shop wanted $7,000 to repair. The motor in the Arcadia is bad. This is a motor for $1,750. In today's video, I'm gonna see if I can replace the motor in this and see if the $7,000 that was quoted for this repair is really worth it. Now there is definitely some things that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna have to get some simple tools together.
Looking for tools for 4 hours, working on the car for 1.
To make this repair easier, I don't wanna waste any time. Let's start the clock. Time is currently 6:23. Time to get to work. First bumper, headlights need to come out. So I probably won't be doing very much talking. I'm gonna try to update you guys as much as possible, but if we plan on getting this done, we gotta get to work ASAP. Things first, let's disconnect the battery. So we are about 20 minutes in and we have almost everything off the front. Now it's time to drain the radiator and take that support out. It is 8:04. We have the radiators, condenser, almost everything out of this car. Now we just have to take off the torque converter bolts, and there's a few things on the backside we have to get to. We are only an hour and a half in. Now the only thing that we did see is we're probably gonna have to switch out this wire harness because on the other motor there is a few broken things on the wire harness, but man, we are flying right through this thing. So it is almost 10:45 and I think that we're ready to pull the motor. So we got the chain already hooked up. Now it's time to pull it out and hopefully everything's disconnected. Well, let's go. It is currently 3:02 in the morning. Motor is out. It took us a long time to get this motor out because there is just so many wires in here. That was kind of unexpected, but you know, we got it out. We did it.
Hidden motor mount behind.
Yeah, gonna replace an engine on an Arcadia. Just know that that motor mount right there, you have to detach. That was insane. Like, really tough to get to. But we did it. I'm hungry. Yeah, we're gonna go get some pizza. I don't know if we're gonna continue to work on this or we'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day and we have got to get this motor in. I mean, we spent about 8 hours yesterday working on it, but we also realized last night, because we got the old motor sitting here, new motor sitting here, and the time is 7:13, and that wire harness needs to be switched to that motor because there are some extra wires on here due to this being a Denali. So I'm gonna start by swapping over the wire harness. Now that I have the wire harness removed, I'm gonna start taking off the wire harness off from that motor And as I do it, I'm gonna be replacing it with this so I don't mess up where any of the sensors go. So we got the wire harness swapped over. We got the back Cadillac converter on. We got all the sensors hooked up. Now the motor is ready to be installed, and it is currently just after 10 o'clock. Now let's jack up the motor and get it inside the car. It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, the camera died while we were trying to work on it, but we did get the motor in. We got almost everything connected in here, and it is 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna go to bed, restart this. I'm extremely tired. We'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so it is currently 6:16, same day. We went to bed at 5 last night. But I've already started. I put the air box, everything's connected. Up there, the fuse box is connected. Now we gotta raise it up, get underneath there, put the rest of the bolts on, put on the exhaust pipe, and then drop it back down, and we should be able to install the front, and this thing should be all set. Well, we got everything hooked up. We got all the fluids in there. I guess now it's time to start it and see. Hopefully this thing runs, everything's good, because we double, triple checked everything. So let's hook this thing up and see if she'll run. All right, you ready to see if this thing will run? She starts, it runs, sounds good. Well, I guess we make a mess with coolant. At 10 o'clock on May 28th, motor is put back together, front bumper, headlights, everything. Car starts and runs. Now we gotta take it for a test drive. The GMC Arcadia is done. It is running perfect. No check engine lights. It took about 25 to 30 hours. But if you like this type of content, to know how long that some of this stuff does, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. This video is over, and peace.